Ain't never felt this way. Can't get enough, so stay with me. It's not like we got big plans. Oh. Let's drive around town, holding hands.
Wait lang, naiyak ang gano'n. Itong mga taong to help me to shape to be a better person. They help me to keep my feet grounded.
Daddy ni Da. Stop toy na daddy. Kasi hindi na nasaksiyan ng daddy nila yung kakasal sila eh. Kaya ito na lang. Ito ang representative.
Oh, my heart hurts so good. I love you, babe. So bad, so bad. Oh yeah.
From the moment I met you, everything feels right. I don't have to pretend, and you accepted me as I am. And with that, I found something I never knew I was searching for. A home for my soul.
Sa office kami nagkakilala sa PSE. Sabi nung isa kong friend, sabi niya, "Uy, Abby, may gwapo dun sa tapat ng room niyo." Sabi ko, "Ha? Sino doon?" "Si Sir Ryan."
From Sir Ryan to my Ryan and now my husband. When we started communicating, I asked God for signs if it would be you. If ikaw na ba yung guy na hindi bad boy, hindi chick boy, at hindi pa fall. And God answered me, yes, He is.
And you need to know that I'm hell obsessed with your face, your face, your face, yeah. Oh, my heart hurts so good. I love you, babe, so bad, oh yeah.
I just relied on the sign and yung compatibility namin to each other. Na para bang siya yung chill, ako yung medyo sobrang active, sobrang daldal, ganyan. Tapos ako yung yopper, siya yung listener. So parang from that moment, I knew he is.
And you need to know you're the only one. Alright. And you need to know that you keep me up all night, all night. Yeah. Oh, my heart hurts so good. I love you, babe.
Today, I promise to love you on the good days and on the difficult ones. I vow to help create a happy, healthy home where we feel safe, open, and comfortable.
You are the one who makes me better. You are the one who makes me smile every day. And you are the best thing that happened. That has happened to my life. And I cannot imagine my life without you.
Dear Mommy Sibyl, today is one of the most important days of my life. And before I walk down the aisle, I just wanted to say thank you for everything.
Si Papa just passed away last year. So I was expecting na he'll be here celebrating this momentous event of my life. But unfortunately, he didn't make it. But I'm still grateful kasi kasama na niya ngayon si Mama. And ganun din kay Daddy George. It's quite short, but mahal ko silang lahat.
Nilagay niyo sa dito. Oh, iiyak ako sa'yo.
Mahalin na mong maigi si Hana. Katulad ng pagmamahal ni Daddy sa akin, di ba? Nakita niyo naman kung paano i-love ni Daddy. Oh. Ganon din ang gawin mo kay Hana.
Huwag mo nang iiyak.
Love you, anak.
Love you.
I vow to always listen with empathy, patience, and understanding, so you'll always feel heard, loved, and supported.
I'm so excited to grow old with you. I want to see the life we build together, the house we make, and the dreams we chase. I promise to be a better man and a loving husband that you deserve. Ay, ang haba ang message ko. Ang iksi. Yung message ko, ang iksi.
I hope this bag is enough to carry all the love I have for you. I love you through thick and thin. And through every Gucci receipt we ever bring in. Ryan.
Hi, baby. Happy 11th anniversary. Time. Thank you for staying, for choosing us, for your unending patience, and always being. I can't wait to be the life with you, my husband. I love you, Ryan Joseph. Woo! Your wife, Hana. Oh, 11th year namin ngayon. So, ayun, hindi pa kami nagbabatian eh. Baka mamaya ako na siya babatiin ng happy anniversary. First of all, happy anniversary, my life, my love, my wife, my unmade. Simple gift lang for everyone actually. Mahal na mahal kita at pipiliin kita araw-araw.
Ryan, you are my answered prayer, and I can't wait to build a life grounded in faith, love, and trust with you. I love you, my husband.
I love you.
Ikaw lang ang katabi hanggang sa ang buhok ay pumati.